In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge layers in Canva. If you've ever grouped a bunch of elements together in Canva and then realized you need to adjust just one part, this is exactly what you're looking for. In Canva, unmerging layers is really the same thing as ungrouping elements. Once you ungroup them, you can move, resize, or edit each piece on its own again. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your design open on the screen. This can be any kind of design. A social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or anything else. The important thing is that you already have some elements grouped together. These might be shapes, text boxes, icons, or images that you previously merged into a single group to move or scale them easily. To start unmerging, click on the grouped elements on your canvas. You can do this by simply left-clicking on the group. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or outline appear around the entire set of elements rather than around just one piece. If you're not sure you've selected everything, you can also click and drag your cursor over the area containing the group. This will highlight all the elements within that selection box. Once the group is highlighted and selected, look toward the top of the Canva editor. You'll see a toolbar appear that shows different options depending on what you've clicked on. When a group is selected, one of the options in that toolbar will be Ungroup. Sometimes it appears as a button labeled Ungroup, and in some layouts it may be found under a More Options icon, but it will always be available for grouped elements. Go ahead and click on Ungroup. As soon as you do, Canva will separate that group back into individual elements. You won't see any dramatic animation, but you'll notice that if you click on one part of the design now, only that single element is selected. The bounding box will surround just that item instead of the whole collection. From here, you're free to move each element independently, change colors,